Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Trader. Myself Bala here. I'm welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I'm going to discuss about the Camarilla R4 and how to create that right indicator on TradingView. So how to add that TradingView indicator and Camarilla breakout. So someone was asking in the morning, so how to add, but I'm using normally for option charts and upstocks. Okay, so here stocks I just added this Camarilla pivot level, so that will be available for us stock options also. But TradingView recently launched the stock option, and which is the right indicator and how to set up that Camarilla indicator on TradingView chart, that I am going to discuss. And also we are going to discuss about our Google sheet, so that we are nearing to that expiry. Some of the options are working very well and weekly positional, and this week also a lot of opportunities and monthly. So we have a lot more stocks, more than 20 plus stocks that moves more than 50 percentage, so 20 plus. And input side also we are nearing about 7 to 10 stocks which already moved 50 percentage. That is a good month, so where we are adding our positional strategy based on our advanced strategy concepts. So we are making such a good trades based on the concept, and that was working good. And intraday also we are looking for here and a lot of opportunities. And one more thing, so I will show you the screenshot which I have taken around 9:37. And MFSL, Bajaj Finance Services, Navin Fluoride will be there. That was giving a good movement, and Tata Motors, and from that Sun Pharma, Serum. So this is a list where I taken at 9:30. So after that we find such a good breakout on liquid and quality stocks. So I think I made some shorts videos today. So how many stocks are given you such a good breakout? But here if you are looking at after market, so a lot of stocks. But if you are tracking, so you will be easily able to find out such a good opportunities based on our Google Sheet scanner, either in intraday or even monthly positional or in weekly positional. Okay, so let me first add how to add that particular indicator on this trading view. So just go to the indicator. So pivot point, that was an indicator. So this is what a default indicator which is available to your trading view. There is no name mentioned in this. Okay, so pivot point standard. So after clicking that pivot point standard, you are seeing the levels. So this is what a normal pivot. So we need a Camarilla pivot. So how to add a Camarilla pivot? So nothing else. So here you have to need change the settings. Okay. So here it is a traditional pivot, and we have a lot of pivots points: Fibonacci, Woody's, and Classic, and Camarilla. Okay. So I'm just going to use a Camarilla pivot only. So if I'm adding this Camarilla pivot, so I'll be getting this. Okay, so hope you've seen there is a changes in the pivot level. So traditional, you can see the right side levels are changing here, and I'm just using a Camarilla. So we will be changing the levels. Okay, so it is showing you a lot of values. So I need only pivot R4 and S3, S3, S4, R4. Okay, so S5 if you need, you can make use of it. So I am just unchecking this. What are the things which I don't want? So I'm just making the pivot as a black in color. So if you want to bold it, so you can also change it as the color should be bold or dark, something you can make use of it. Okay, so you can change the width of the line. So here itself, so 1 or 2. So maybe 2 is a good, and I change for a S3 around this pink line, and R3 as the same color, but breakout which I'm looking for in a dark green. So whatever the color you want, you can make changes based on the colors, and I just change. If you are changing here, the levels should be very dark. So 2 is good enough. So finally we derived this is what on camera level. So we can add it on our trading view indicator. So let me go for some of the options which is triggers. So let me check Indo Hotel 585. So let me check track Indo Hotel 585. So maybe it is in the top. So I need to check the call option. Okay, Indo Hotel 585 call option, where you can see the R4 level. It not clearly mentioned. So sorry, it clearly mentioned, but the stock is started above to the level. Okay, 28, and it went up to. So same chart we can check here. Indo Hotel. So 585 call option. Here the previous data are available, and let me change same 15 minutes time frame, but the previous data in this one is not available. Sorry, this is what a May contract. So let me open a April. Okay, Hindu Hotel 585. this is what an May, April. Okay, so where you can see, yeah, here is the breakout where it is happening around 11:30 after 9:45. Okay, so 9:45 to 10 o'clock, so where we got a breakout, and if you are keeping that breakout, and we can keep a stop loss below the pivot, so near about 2 rupees, and it went huge. But the same which you are looking at here, but here that option chart in Camarilla Levels not plotted. Here 9:55 to 10 o'clock. So this is a 5-minute chart where we got a breakout around 11.3 and it went up to near about 22.25. So this is what the difference between this, because of nearby expiry week, so we are having a low liquidity on options and also physical delivery. So that is why normally we are not doing any trades based on our advanced option strategy concepts, and we are not taking any new opportunities in the last week. So we already closed our tradings in options by the end of the Friday before the expiry week. So already we finished, and maybe some stocks which is giving you some good movement, but expiry days, it is very risky to take a trade, and need ITM and ATM options having a higher margin compared to the normal one. And OTM, it is a defaultly time decay one, and it is having a less margin, but it is doesn't give you such a good result. If the stock doesn't move, there is a chances of leads to zero is very quite high. So why we are ignoring? So based on our positional, so we have a lot of opportunities. So I find the Voltas in call side, X side in call side, VEDL, and put side is Titan and Hero Motorcorp. So these are all the things which I maybe my students have tried for a positional one. And NMDC also we are done. And Bharati Airtel, it was giving you a movement in a single day. Okay, so these are all the monthly positional. Maybe someone who are taken some of their opportunities also based on their view and based on their analysis. But so here the way where we can add our Camarilla pivot level, and intraday it's perfectly working based on the Camarilla pivot part. So some other one which I'm taking a Tata Motor 970, in that 970 April call option. Okay, so maybe nearby physical delivery. So here in the second candle, here the level. So the level is in the left side. So you can go to the settings, and you can see the labels in positions. So it will be right. So we'll be getting the exact levels for R4. So here on the right side, so 14.7 is the R4 level for Tata Motor. So where it is given immediately after the first candle. So maybe that breakout from 14.7 the R4, the pivot or maybe the stop loss below. So pivot point is 11.8 below 85. So we can keep say just a 5 paisa below to that pivot point, and final closing is 20. That is good, and the high is made nearby 26. So this is what an breakout opportunity which we are trying out. And one more condition which I used here, it is inside Camarilla. So inside Camarilla we can use for a good breakout level. So here is the inside Camarilla. That is also one of the confirmation which we can use it, and 2 consecutive days inside Camarilla. So already we made a video 2 consecutive inside Camarilla. So if you are looking at, so you will be easily finding such a opportunity. So 2 days inside, so maybe a breakout. So that was happening. So where it is given in the breakout, and that was a good move which is happening on this particular thing. So let me check some other stocks. Many stocks which happen today. Navin Fluoride 3280. 3280 is a call option Navin Fluoride in April. These are all the put to 3280 April contract. So this is what an opportunity, but there is a liquidity issue. So we always focus on liquid stocks. For example, Nifty, it started about to that R4 level, and after that it never crosses above R4 level. Instead of that, it's moving down. But here we can look for an R4 changeover. The support where it is taken a S4 level, and then it was moving higher and higher. So such a good move. So these levels are working perfect and well. So if we need to do some analysis and workout, so it is working good. So using our scanners also, we will be easily finding out such a good breakout opportunities for our intraday. Let me check in a Sun Pharma 1540 put options. Sun Pharma 1540 put option in April series, where you can see this is the first candle. It was opened above R4 level. Sorry, this is a call option. Okay. In this case, it is opened above R4 level. So that's the reason we are saying you to avoid in the first 15 minutes candle. So it may be taken, that would be an failure opportunity. But here there is a good breakout on Sun Pharma. So around 20.9 and it went up to 54. So I hope you understood the concepts how we are using, and this Google Sheet is about the scanner. So you may be finding out your stocks based on the scanner. And the weekly and monthly positional are working based on my positional strategy, and the intraday sheet it's working based on the Camarilla R4 breakout. So I hope you understood how to add this Camarilla pivot point on TradingView. So I hope you enjoyed this session, and thank you for watching. And if you are new to my channel, kindly subscribe the channel.